Verizon Wi-Fi Extender. In today's video, you are going to learn how to set up Verizon Wi-Fi Extender E3200. So let's get started. First, you have two options, wireless pairing and wired pairing. So let's get started with the wireless pairing. Now, plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet next to the Verizon Internet Gateway and wait for a solid yellow. Now what you have to do is press and hold the unified button on the Wi-Fi extender E3200 for 3 seconds, then the pair button on the Verizon Internet Gateway within 2 minutes. Now both devices blink blue while pairing. If there is an error during the pairing process, the status LED slowly flashes red for 2 minutes after the error occurs. Once a solid white or blinking yellow light appears on the Wi-Fi extender E3200, it is paired. Now what you have to do is you can see it right like this. Now unplug the Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet, move it between the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage. Then plug into a power outlet. If you see a fast blinking yellow light, move the extender further away from the internet gateway. If you see a slow blinking yellow light, move the extender closer to the internet gateway. And once the LED indicators turn solid white, your setup is complete. That's how you will be able to set up your Verizon Wi-Fi Extender E3200 by wireless pairing. Watch the next video for wired pairing.